Hey, I'm Ha. Welcome to my YouTube. I'm making this press today. Stay tuned. Let's get right into it. Alright, we got us, what you call it? We got us a nice piece of wood. This piece of wood was $25. What? Now, man, I don't, you find a piece of wood on the side of the road, get you a piece of wood on the side of the road. Don't go to Home Depot. Hi.
Okay.
Don't go to Home Depot like me. I was just getting hype. So you gotta measure out your board. Board is 17 and a half. Man said it don't really matter. The measurement. So approximate is good. So we got us a big ass piece of board. And I'm gonna cut it down. I got the tools. I'm gonna use that bit. And I'm gonna cut that bit right there like that.
Stop it. Get some help.
Right on there, right down like that. And hopefully I can make this nice and straight. Droop down there, droop down there. Cause I don't got a table. Like people got tables for that and shit. But yeah, man, 17 by 16 inch piece. 2.5 by 24, two of them, and a 7 by 24. So that should be cake, man. You just cut that off and you got some extra wood for the next joint in the bottom. Bing bang, let's get it. Get it, let's go. I would love to know whose fat ass feet stepped on my shit before I purchased it, but this was the last one, so I had to take it. You know I had to put the foot for stability. Bitch, I'm scared. You got this. Bitch. I did that. Oh shit. Say fucking less. You girl motherfucking carpenter in this bitch. So yeah, a good tip I learned here, this is my first time using power tools. You gotta go slow, and the joint will be nice and clean. Bro, I'm really doing this, bro. This shit, I thought I needed somebody for this shit. This shit easy as shit, bro. So yeah, just continue to cut out each piece how you had it drawn out, you know what I mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. I got all of the boards. Baby. We about to be a motherfucking factory in this bitch. You feel me? Whole motherfucking factory in this motherfucker. Whole factory in this bitch. Let's go. We in that bitch. Yeah, we in that bitch. Yeah. What you talking about, me? We in that bitch. Yeah. I didn't even tell y'all needed a 2x4 cut at a 45-degree angle on one side, because you connect that to your little board. That's what I'm doing right here. That one ain't finna work. Yeah, we in that bitch. That's a little hard right there, but yeah, man, we in that bitch. Hey, yo, I'm leaving out so much. So that 7 by 24 piece, you want to connect that 6 inches away from the part that you just attached. And you put the hinges on. You got your two pieces that were 2.5 by 24 inches. You want to take that drill a fat ass hole through each of them, right? Fuck, what was I about to say? Alright, yeah. So you got the two pieces. You want to take one piece and attach it to the other side of the hinge. Because you saw me put the hinge on this, but not on this. You take one piece that you drilled the holes through. Because you got two pieces that you drilled holes through. You take one of them, attach it to the back by the hinges. And it's all going to come together because you take that other piece and put it on top. That's what I was fucked up. Like, I'm like, how is this shit going to go? Because you put that other piece on top so that you put your bolts through. And you can lift and, like, open it up and shit. Like, you got a bottom that you attach to the hinge. And then you put your bolts through and put the top on. So you can stick your shit in there. Stick it in there. That's gonna be hard on hand. I ain't gonna do this on hand. Alright, yeah, got it. Stick. Yeah. Alright, you need 2 hands for this shit. Stick your shit. Oh, here we go. Stick your shit in there and then you're gonna close it. Bang, bang. Boom, boom. And it's on the hinge. Right? On the hinge, so you can lift that bitch up and down, and your shirt go right there. And you clamp this down to a table or something. If you fuck with it, like my shit, comment, share, subscribe. I'ma try, be consistent on this, John. Sayha.com for the vibes.